Today I'm going to show you how to check if your Amazon account has been hacked. If you've noticed unusual activity or just want to ensure your account's security, this guide will walk you through every step to identify and fix potential issues quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage, ready to begin checking for any suspicious activity. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your recent purchases. Here's where you need to be thorough. Review your recent orders carefully, looking for any unfamiliar items, unexpected shipping addresses, or charges you don't recognize. If you spot anything suspicious, cancel those orders immediately if the option is still available. This step is crucial because unauthorized purchases are often the first sign that someone has gained access to your account. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists again in the top right menu bar. This time select Account from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the account page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Devices, then click on it. This will show you a list of all the devices currently registered to your Amazon account. Take a close look at this list for any devices you don't recognize. If you see an unfamiliar device, simply click on it, then select Deregister. This action will remove that device's access to your account and is an important step in securing your information. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists once more in the top right menu bar and select Account again. On this page, click on Login and Security. This section contains all the critical settings for protecting your account. Look for the password option and right beside it, click Edit. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. Go ahead and type that in. Once verified, enter your new password in the field provided. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. After entering your new password, re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure it matches, then click Save Changes. This step ensures that even if someone had your old password, they won't be able to access your account anymore. After saving your new password, go back to the Login and Security page. Now look for the section labeled Compromised Account. Right beside it, you'll see a Start button. Click on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you secure your account if you suspect it's been compromised. On the next screen, you'll see the option to Sign Out Everything. Click this button to immediately log out all devices and sessions connected to your account. This is a powerful security measure that forces anyone who might have unauthorized access to log back in, which they won't be able to do since you've just changed your password. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Amazon account for signs of hacking and taken the necessary steps to secure it. Your account should now be protected with a fresh password and all unauthorized devices and sessions removed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.